chingia kirage chirangi chiga niko chiri chibirengo nabono mbabwate chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba isiko ye nyumba chire chikomentere nigwa amavuta yani oil na bwigo chiriya chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga niko chiri korwase chire chiri guririke iriya gatigati wekarigori lyabantabati bwigo imeya uru superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo bwochoganya chirangi wikabunuragani ochoganire erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya uru superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwa yanyora bwikirano tutarire rero elibwe nyorere abamanyi aboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha crown paints eduke yiga ya uru superstores yego toka se enyumba ya uru complex imeyumuchuri go musongo iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera se namba chabo 0111161500 Uru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Aha. Kwa hiyo umeamua kuumwaga mchele kwenye kuku wengi. Mbona mimi na yako siyasemi? Mwanaume gani wewe? Kutwa kujilizaliza. Sehemu ya kulia mimi, unalia wewe. Ukirudi nyumbani, unalala tu. Haujali mwenzako nimekula, nimeshiba au nina njaa. Au niwaambie watu kama mchezaji majeruhi. Kwa mwezi unacheza mara moja tu. Niache!
Dada, maneno unayamwaga hayo.
Niache. Wewe umeamua kuyamwaga. Kuanzia leo, watu wote na
Nde mwancho murigereria nigo charagire Chinsa Ikomi chiabona maragoba ikine Ekeonga senchera yobonge nchenkatiri Nyaboga veni Nyaboga kurasomo na bimanyerero kibinongeri nero kwana kibina chibichechi na marogi ngoikara chira senchera eri yowekera nukaranse obena intugoika omwerio na togo chaka ababwatani bekiama kiragia ODM kurwase county ya Kisii yutkoria rero nigo bombirana a segeti gechigosoro kya Kisii stadium eri gochora abarai au barache kora ekiamekyo anemono koro ase county ya Kisii abara yabo koro jibunge nabo igochi ward nigo bagochagochora omunyakiro gobwe county umoriki we county umoriki we merobiro ye county omuraibwa basubati ase county nabo igo omuraibwa basai ase county gatie birogo gose gatie abaraibande abange chibicha koro ase egeti kya Kisii stadium na chichirembe omwanchu murigereria Mwancho murigereria roboti orundo chikogochira asenchira yobwekano ase Ekeonga Chinsa ibere nabo igo Chinsa nyechobotko bwarero eri manyebuna mbare yabaiga bachorwa kora egatie birogo ebyo na berege ngoma wingo komanya togos kabosione miaka 15 ya istre koro ensi ya Kenya yenyorera ekatipa iyo yachagitigwe emmeremo tarike 25 na 27 omutinyo gatano na na gatatu omwaka bw'ekiri 2020 inse y'oburayi bw'ense omurai bw'ense gatatu omosike Nyagusira Moi Kibaki amono muwaziri omonene bw'ekingaki ekyo omosike Raila Amolo Odinga kingaki abakenya beroberete gochikunyora rituko eryo elirirabe rituko rya Jumatano gose rituko erimo rituko rya rero nigo omurai bw'ense aimukire getambukiro na kweneke rituko eryo buna ni rituko ry'omutimoko eryo rirachikoro kwa rituko rya Katiba Day. Aboroki wa bacha kire kuirana chiskuru erigo chakabena masomo ye tamu ya gatatu nigo abarundia ba matatu go sabantereba babodiwe ko bamaiso anamono chinga kichiga baboroki wa bakuirana gocha chiskuru kokwana nabaliki bamangana ritukure rero nigo omonene asire Rogers Muturi ongera oyoboigo obereka gusira chigosoro cha rugby arurokubolya gocha saba ibuli kweneke bunanko ko babari abana babo gocha chiskuru asaboiga rurokubolya gocha saba orokiwa kokoro mukia ase chiskuru
asa marieta nengoro Rogers Muturi ongera Muturi guardian abana mbachete rusa almost 1 month ago abana bamenyire erusa bya turaiwa mangana makongwa beire yuto gwakira Nyasaye mbia mono ntaito gotebi chi company chinde chi company chionsi chobosombi chire sikogabwo ekere tugocha kuira abana skuru nanga kiende yonsi tobe una nkogendi tule ngotara tule chipara no omochoko toba abantu tule safe on our roads and we make sure ekere tule para igole driver yao ni driver yo le mutu yao na nyuma yao nensemo igona tule ndane intwe igokora magosa sakoba na bogotema kuarati the person nalia abantu baito bataumie kilo monto aike sabali yaye safe asata kitekogenda intwe una abantu bobo sombi company ya Guardian na rodere abaibuli kera intwe tole company yo mochoko na rodere abaibuli bachakire kwebanga tuachakire kokora advance booking to different schools tukurusia bana nkagaiga tuabaira moja kwa moja mpaka skuru moroberio itwachagete na boro moroberio muya abaibuli banye
Wizara yekiganchagia serikali nigo yachakire miroberio erikweroberia gochakorose budget yo mwaka bw'ekiri 2025 no mwaka bw'ekiri 2025 gose budget yo mwaka 2026 na bwigo budget yo mwaka 2027 Ukwana mugasorero chingaki ara umurobiro bwo kochakia budget yo mwaziri w'ekiganchagia serikali omoske John Ng'ong'o nigateba serikali nigo mukirige tambukiro erikwaneke buna uchumi yensi ya Kenya ngukinere aseboigo ateba osaseboigo ateba nigo ekerengerere kyo gocha gusira na boigo kine uchumi yensi ya Kenya kirache gwikiraniwa
National Treasury in collaboration with Parliament must consider innovative financing mechanisms such as public-private partnerships in sectors including energy, transport, irrigation, and housing, so that we avoid over-reliance on exchequer for development projects. To ensure fiscal stability, Parliament has given priority to realistic revenue projections, and we are targeting 2.7 trillion in this financial year in ordinary revenue. These achievable targets will reduce uncertainties in budget implementation and minimize unplanned borrowing.
Public finance management reforms. We are moved now to accrual accounting basis from cash basis. From this financial year onwards, we have continued to implement zero-based budget. We have also gone to single treasury account so that we improve our cash management. And we have optimized our asset utilization through a module called Assets and Inventory Management.
I want MDS to embrace PPP before you ask us for extra budgetary allocation, exhaust the possibilities of raising funds through PPP, especially commercially viable projects. We now have Rironi Mau Summit in the pipeline, progressing well. I am sure it will be concluded soon. That will be a major infrastructure project in this country. The other one that I would mention, and my PS visited it recently, that is Galana Kulalu, is in progress under PPP. We have a number under the energy sector, and I want to encourage all MDAs, including even county governments, come up with projects that can be funded through PPP programs.
Monogeri bunge ya Senate omoske Amason Jefa Kingi ni go aigirire serikali y'umuraibu inse je kurana Daktari wa Samuel Ruto ase atebiro muraibu inse ni go abwate ni ari ni kirenge kya gocha asaba Kenya ane muno kuboikiraniria amagendro ase boigo atebire inse muraibu inse Daktari wa Samuel Ruto inse moteyo era achie gutigara magega ase amagendro na go gikeria inse mwiri ose ko gikire gatia barai bari babeire bakomochia amagendro.
The Lord is not a God of exclusion, but is a God of inclusion. Hiyo ndio amezungumza Father. Na kwa sababu tuko kanisani, mimi sitaki kutoka nje ya maada ile. Mimi nataka niwaambie wakazi wa Ndhiwa, wa Homa Bay na wa Kenya kwa jumla. If this country has to heal, it must be taken through the narrow gate. Na mimi nataka niwaambie wakazi wa Ndhiwa, time is now for this country to go through a narrow gate. And I want to confirm to you that what Mheshimiwa William Ruto, our president, is doing is to take through this country on that narrow gate, so that we become what God intended this country to be. But for equity, kula mkate mmoja, huu mwingine peana watu wa Nyanza na wakule. Kuna ubaya hapo? Lakini kwa sababu tumezoea kula mikate miwili, ndio maana tunapiga makelele hivi leo. Kwamba kwa nini mikate yetu miwili inaenda? Kenyans, this is Kenya. We, all of us, belong in this country. Let there be equity. Let us support the president to bring about true equity in development in this country. So for those who are stuck in the past, for those who still have hangover of the past, na bado wanataka kula mikate miwili, we are telling them we're going through the narrow gate. And if you're holding 2 loaves of bread, you cannot pass through that narrow gate. You need to give out 1 loaf, though painful, but that's the only way we can pass through this narrow gate. We need to bring about inclusion in this country. Nitamalizia hapo.
Mwanchwa umurigiria nara yokore Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi asenchira yobwenge kurenda yom ayune gatiari togenda tokwareganiria ake achiko gochira asenchira yobwekira ni Chinsa ibere na wego Chinsa nyecho botkuwarero toro borige borobya tomiraniri tukure ankyo.
Superstores nero eduka asorgo nguriga rwa South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati rolling mills eyuko yabwatuka ucyase abahonya aiga ntobwate showroom asura achabwirigirie amabati anda onsialia utagete showroom yeto nigo enkale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokie riso lyao chingagi ogoswasaje gakurigiria amabati aiga ntobwate team tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingiye cyugo kwarigania na boigo cyo tebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati rolling mills iko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao bunabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibigo babwate boomerang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati alia yechigeche 2023 mbabwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana roman jinko na boigo web design mbabwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chako gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na boigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate yiga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo okunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwate yiga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase ouru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabwate yu akomenya segeka ayo uchanye warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango eduke yiga ya ouru superstores yego toka se enyumba ya ouru complex imiyumu chuyigo busongo eyuerangene duka ya Safaricom boigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera se namba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Hazan Mega Wholesalers. Asen tunde ndenigo yire